Hey guys, today I'm going to share with you how to make a classic carne con chile y papas. So if you want to learn how to make it, just stay tuned and I'll show you how. Alrighty guys, so here I already have all of my ingredients. As always, I will be listed in the description box. So with that being said, let's begin cooking. Okay, we're going to begin by roasting our chile serranos or jalapeños, along with our tomatoes and piece of onion. Going to get them nice and short all around. Okay, so once that's fully roasted, we're going to turn it off and lightly toast our chile de árbol. They're gonna toast very quick. Make sure not to burn them. Okay, once you begin to smell them, they are done. So now we can get ready to make our salsa. Okay, to vinegar, we're going to add our roasted tomatoes, jalapeños or serranos, chile árbol, the piece of onion, 3 garlic cloves, half a teaspoon of oregano, ground cumin, and chicken bouillon to taste. Now we're just going to blend until everything is nice and crushed. Okay, and once we have our salsa, we can now get ready to make our chile con carne. Okay, now to our pan over medium-high heat, we're going to heat up a little bit of oil. Once the oil is nice and hot, we're going to add our 2 pounds of tough round steak. Make sure to cut into small strips. And here we're just going to season with salt and black pepper. Now just allow it to brown. Once our meat browns, it's going to release its own juice. So here we're going to add our 3 small diced potatoes along with a small onion. And we're just going to mix it and allow the juices to evaporate. This should take about 5 minutes. Okay, so once the meat juices have evaporated, this is what our meat and potatoes should look like. So here we're going to get ready to add our salsa. And we're also going to be adding 1 cup of water. So just add it to your blender cup so that you get the rest of the salsa. And now just mix it together and bring it to a simmer. Okay, so once it comes to a simmer, taste it for salt if you need to adjust it. But now we're just going to cover it, reduce the heat to medium-low, and allow it to cook for about 10 to 12 minutes, just until the potatoes are nice and tender. Alright, so after 10 minutes, our potatoes should be nice and tender. Of course, make sure that you check them. But just like that, we have our delicious carne con chile y papas done. So now we can get ready to serve. Alrighty guys, and now for the best part, the taste test. Now of course, I like to serve it with my homemade flour tortillas and refried beans. But I am so ready. This right here is seriously super easy to make. It's quick and honestly, the best. So hope you give it a try and enjoy it just as much. And of course, you can make it spicy, not spicy. It all depends on how much chile you add. But this is just perfect. So cheers and enjoy. Everything. It's so good. The potatoes, the meat, the sauce, so perfect. Alrighty guys, and there you have it at home. I made my super easy and delicious chile con carne y papas. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video, and if you did, please don't forget to give me a big thumbs up, share with your friends and family, and if you recreate this recipe, please don't forget to tag me in any of my social medias, and if you're new to my channel, please hit the subscribe button so you guys can be part of our family. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys at my next video.